Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 and today we are in Skjolden, so sit back, watch and enjoy.
Hello, my name's Stuart.
And I'm Jeff, and welcome to
Adventures with Stuart and Jeff.
Getting to Skjolden is very easy because the ship literally docks you there. You get off, you turn left and go through a little building that has a cafe and a souvenir shop in, and again once you get to the other side of this small building you turn left and follow the road signs.
When you sort of see it and you think, no, that's not real type stuff.
Doesn't it look like a backdrop?
Yeah, it looks like it's just not real.
Once you walk into this little building, you'll have a cafe to your left, which is smelling so fantastic of cinnamon buns. I wish we'd got one, but we weren't ready because we'd had some breakfast. And on your right, you'll see a souvenir shop. And when you get to the other side, we didn't notice this until on the way back. There's actually people there handing out maps. We had data anyway, which helped us use Google Maps to find where we were looking for.
What can you smell as you walk in? Cinnamon buns in, oh, you can't smell nothing. Exactly. Snapshot of her. What? Okay. Not bigger than normal. God of absolutely stunning. What was the question?
What do we get cars from?
Well, they've got them for a town. Well, no. They'll have purchased them. There'll be like a main town somewhere, but I think it's an hour or so away. There's supposed to be a visitor centre or something further up where you can get maps and stuff. I think we've just been through it. Thought that was the visitor centre. out behind you. Is that the inside?
I know you have to turn sort of right before you go over the bridge.
Well, obviously I've got data here, haven't I? So I can get into the OneDrive.
Remember back in the day with Royal Caribbean, where on a night you got your cruise compass, but you also got sort of your need to knows for your destinations and stuff for the following day.
Or like what they've been doing recently, they'd be down at the bottom waiting for you to give them.
Yeah,
And
but there didn't appear to be anything
Nah.
here. I think going this paperless is a little bit. It's a money-saving scheme, isn't it?
yeah, but it doesn't help a lot of the travellers. To be fair, I can't believe how actually warm it is.
You can't believe
How actually warm it is.
it's warm in
That,
the
like-
sun, but it's
yeah.
cold out of it.
As you're walking along this gorgeous scenery, keep an eye out for these red directional posts because they point you in the right direction, and the great thing is they are in English as well as Norwegian, so it points you either to the waterfall or to the little town of Skjolden.
I think there'll be a couple of rentals, but I think most of the houses will be used by the locals, I think. Right? I think so. Possibly not too private. If you go probably a little bit further down where these other people are in. puts everything in perspective, doesn't it?
As you can see, there is very little to no path, and that's all the way up to both of these gorgeous waterfalls, but the walk is worth it if you can do it. Obviously Royal Caribbean or your cruise line can do tours, and you can actually book a couple from inside the visitor centre that you walk through, but the walk is just as gorgeous and you get your steps in.
Kept coming in and out, I was thinking, oh, there's a nice one when the sun's away, but still like coming through the trees type
I'm
of thing.
assuming at the bottom there's going to be a photo opportunity area.
Yeah, there'll be loads of people stood there, won't there?
Yeah.
Sadly, without climbing into people's farms or building work, you can't actually get close to these waterfalls, which is a shame, but at least it protects it from people potentially ruining it in some way.
Wasn't it?
It's all dry.
No, not all dry. Brown bears. No, Norway has brown bears. While they are Norway's largest predator, they are relatively rare, with an estimated population of around 150 individuals. These bears primarily inhabit forests in the northern parts of the country, particularly near the Russian border. There's also a significant population of brown bears across Scandinavia, with around 3,000 spread throughout the region. Either he's really quick at running, or we're still waters. Oh, he's got a twin brother. What?
I don't know. Little walking to see what's there.
Well, I said that. You're like, nah.
In case you don't have any data and you are following a map, it will take you to this point, and there's another map which hopefully will match yours, and it will point you in the right direction to get back.
So we're here, and yeah, you can go up and go around to Winston's house, or you can go down
That really over that bridge.
that over the bridge and then takes you back in there. It's like camping. We cannot accommodate passengers from cruise in our small cafe and limited toilet facilities. So that means no.
So cruise passengers are not welcome.
Yeah, basically.
So we'll just show where it is.
Yeah. Nah.
And go for St. Louis when we get back.
We still need to go into the little town though, don't we?
Oh yeah. But we'll need a knick-knack or something. won't
You
we?
know, obviously we came up, it's just across another bridge. You know what? She runs like Phoebe.
Better than Barry, like you.
Legs and arms everywhere.
The water looks almost like it's got like a green tinge to it.
Because it's
Like
not
an aqua.
because it's not tainted, it's proper water. It's got the reflection of the sky. And that's what makes it blue, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. What was that? I'm not sure if the walk with the horses is doing too much fun, though.
Oh dear. Oh my word. Oh dear. Oh.
We didn't find
You're in a
any shops
population of about
in
200.
Skjolden, but there was a nice
Shall I have a look
museum,
for
a
you?
little knick-knack shop, a supermarket store, a rock climbing wall, another cafe, and I think there was even the Swedish steam baths.
Okay, so Skjolden has a population of approximately 250 to 300 residents. It is a small village located at the end of the Fjord, the innermost part of the Sognefjord in Norway. Apologies for any bad pronunciations. Well done, Amy, you can come again. think this was the visitor centre, isn't it? The other one. Just take our mum woolly hat back. Oh, I want it in. I knew just the first stuff because you named him. I thought you actually knew him.
From our point, we found Norway quite expensive to buy stuff. Amy bought a pack of cookies from the local supermarket and it cost her 10 Norwegian krone, which was actually £6 in our English money, which we thought was wild, especially when you're so close to the ship. Yeah, it's nice to have a nice coffee while you're off or a nice baked good or something, but it's all on the ship for you, for free.
Oh, this is 20.
It just says 2301 to US. I'm sorry?
He wants to know how much his item would be in US dollars. That's mine. That's,
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you.
can I pay by card? Thank you. That's great. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I hope you've enjoyed day 4 in Skjolden. What gorgeous scenery it was. I mean, it's hard to explain because in pictures and videos it doesn't look real and it does a lot of justice to actually go see. We did a massive 19,000 steps that day, and I'll put on the map of what we walked. It was absolutely worth it. It was totally gorgeous. And if you've liked today, come back and see when we're in Skjolden. And if you've liked this video, please like, subscribe, and watch the rest of the playlist for our journey on Independence of the Seas. Bye for now.